Bigtincan has been a game changer. For the first time at Peterson, our sales and marketing departments have all of our content in one location. It's a tremendous amount of information that helps us in that sales journey. I'm Missy Pinksaw, Director of Marketing for Peterson Manufacturing. Peterson Manufacturing is an innovator in the design, engineering, and manufacturing of lighting systems for the commercial vehicle market and for the trailer market. The biggest difference that Bigtincan has made for us is that prior, we did not have a system for updating our content. We had over 500 pieces of literature, and we had no method for tracking when those needed to be reviewed for updates. So we could have had content that was 10, 20 years old. We now have a way to track that content, to review it for updates, and then also to notify our sales team when those updates are available. We ultimately decided to choose Bigtincan because we, for the first time, have a single source of truth. And we not only can make sure that our sales team has all of the content, but we get reminded when we need to update that content. So everyone is kept in the loop. And the best thing I think about Bigtincan is we can track analytics on the content that we send to our customers. So we can see what they've opened, when they've opened it, who they forwarded it to. Bigtincan enabled us to speed up the customer relationship process. So not only can we get content and information to our customers faster, but we can get feedback from them faster and move the process along and save time both on the end of our sales team and for our customers. I would recommend Bigtincan for other companies in our industry, and actually we have. The experience stuck out to us, and so we reached out to Bigtincan, and we're very glad that we did.